Many parents are about to see some extra money in their bank accounts in the form of a monthly child tax credit. Roughly 36 million families will start getting those payments as soon as today. And Fox 35 Orlando's Amanda McKenzie is joining us live right now on Live Now from Fox, telling us everything we need to know. Amanda, good morning to you. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. This is some good news for parents who are in need of those extra funds, especially after being hit hard during the pandemic, whether they were laid off or furloughed. But the Federal Trade Commission does have a warning out for families to be on the lookout for scammers and fraudulent calls. They say they saw an increase in those calls as soon as the pandemic began, and they fear that they could see that with the enhanced child tax credit as well. So starting today, qualified American families could see at least $250 extra dollars in their bank accounts for every child in their home. That money is set to be deposited each month over 6 months. This is all thanks to the temporary expansion of the federal child tax credit. It increases the original $2,000 annual credit you would normally get up to $3,600 per child. So the money is set to be deposited each month over 6 months. Parents can then claim the other half when they file their 2021 tax returns. And Regina, financial planners warn that if you make more income this year than you did last year, you may be at risk of having to pay some of that enhanced child tax credit money back to the government when you file. Regina?
Yeah, Amanda, now if people, I was going to say, if people have not registered for these payments, what exactly can they do? I know you just kind of touched on it.
There is still time to register. You have to go online, and we have a link to that on our website, fox35orlando.com. But some of those payments could be starting as early as today, and they go until the end of the year. So there is still time to do that. Otherwise, if you don't, you can still file for it when you fill out your 2021 tax returns.
All right, Fox 35 Orlando's Amanda McKenzie out there in Orlando, Florida with all of this information. Again, this starts today, everybody. So, Amanda, thank you so much for joining us here on Live Now from Fox. We appreciate your time.